You know, John Tikilani Watkins wrote this beautiful melody for a district on the island of Maui in Hanaia. And John was my kumu. And we used to go there to Waikoloa to the Malaikini family's home. And this story was composed for them. Wherever you turn, you look up. Look at the beauty of Kauiki, the mountain. And the beauty that lies down is the sea. And on top of that mountain is our beautiful lighthouse. Oh, Kanoe. Mama Abigail, John's mama, used to sit on the porch and watch the Malulu rain coming down. I used to say they look like companions together. As we say, this is the end of our story about a beautiful district called Waikoloa on the island of Maui. The newcomers they used to greet all the time. That was a gift to the Malaikini family.